All right, so this question says that there are 50 tickets in a raffle bag. 10 of the tickets belong to Gary. A ticket is chosen at random, and the ticket owner's name is read. The ticket is mixed back into the bag. Another ticket is chosen, and the ticket owner's name is read. What is the probability that Gary's name was read both times? So in order to figure this out, we have to think about, is there replacement or is there not replacement? And since it says it's put back into the bag, there's replacement, which means that the number stays the same. His probability the first time is 10 out of 50. And then the second time, it's still 10 out of 50 because they put the ticket back into the bag. So we simply multiply those two together, and you end up with 100 over 2,500, which simplifies to just 1 over 25. Or it says write as a percent. So as a percent, it's 4%. You get 0.004, which multiplied by 100 gives you 4%. So the important thing there is remembering, again, that you multiply the percents because it's two events that are happening, but also that that ticket was placed back into the bag. This one says the letters of the alphabet are written on flashcards and dropped into a bag. Flashcard is randomly selected, but it is kept out of the bag after it's selected, and then you draw another time. Which product gives the probability that both flashcards have a vowel on them? So the first time there are 5 vowels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first time the chance is 5 out of 26. There's 26 letters in the alphabet, 5 out of 26. But the second time, because you keep the one that was initially drawn out, there's 4 out of 26. If it happens the first time, you keep it out, and then there's only 4 vowels left to be selected from. And on this one, they don't make you multiply it out. The answer choices are in this format. They just want you to write out the product.